Welcome to Human IT Solutions Private Limited. Today we will cover add item basic feature. In this we will going to see some basic feature like how to add an item, edit, delete, what are active and inactive item, the unique description for particular item. Then we will see the landing price, MRP, sale price, etc. And in the end we will see how to see item history if anybody has modified a particular item, how to see this. So let's open the software and start with item addition. So as I open the software, I will click on items. Then here you can click on add item also, and you can click on item view also. In item view, you will get some shortcut over here and symbolic shortcut at the top. So if I click on add, so window will pop up with all the attributes of our item adding. So first is item ID. So this is by default ID 41. If you want to define your own, just click on define my own, and you can define your own ID over here. So I will show you how automatic ID is set. So I will cancel this thing. Firstly, you have to go to settings, then click on company list, edit this. So at the time of creating a company, the second slide will be company book detail. In this, you will be asked for the prefix of item ID and the sequence number. So here you can change. So coming back to item creation. So firstly, you will go for item ID, then the item name, the name of the item. So I will put a name. Pen drive 4 GB. Likewise, you can give the item name, then the HSN code. In this, you can select item type, or it is similar to the category. So you can select the category if it's done, or you can create new category. So add it. So in this way, you can create a particular item type. Then the measuring unit. If you want to create, you can simply click on these three dots and create your own measuring unit. Then packaging type, if any. So packaging type and I by view will be covered in next video. Then if any kind of manufacturing is there, you can mention. If you want to fix the barcode, then you can put it over here. This is item unit description. So you can see it is combination of item name, the item type, and measuring unit. So if I don't want to have measuring unit in the unit name, I can simply click on this and save it. So in this way, you can set different kind of uniqueness with the item. Then you can assign a specific supplier to that particular item. If you are using rack wise management, you can mention the rack, on which rack this particular item is been stored. Then item status is there. So active and inactive status are there. So when you enable this as active, you are able to make the transaction like purchase and sale. If you make it inactive, no transaction will be done. So I will show you saving this. I will make it as active right now and save it. So while coming to the screen, you can see at the bottom, the item is been created over here. So similarly, if you want to edit this item, you can go to a particular item, click on this and click on edit item. So when you click on edit, suppose I want to change the category over here. I want to make it pen drive and save it. You can see the item unique description is also changed. You can save the changes. So in this way, you can modify the item. If you want to delete the item, you can simply click on the item and here the delete button is there. If you click on and if you say yes, it will be deleted. Make sure no transaction is there. If any kind of transaction is there, the item won't get deleted. So we have covered item, unique description over here. Then let's see landing price MRP while adding the item. So consider this particular item only. So here you can mention the opening stock. If any kind of opening stock is there, you can select the date of opening stock, or you can set, click on this. So automatically today's date it will take. So now in the pricing detail, you will see purchase price, landing price, sales price, and MRP. So purchase price, as you know, purchase price will be the price at what cost you are going to purchase. So if you want to fix the price, you can mention it over here. So landing price is like 120 is my purchase price, but I've paid 100 rupees for the petrol allowance, like thing, or any kind of expense was there with the purchase. So in-house, the cost was 130 rupees. Then at what cost you are selling the product? So I want to mention it as 250 rupees, and the MRP will be like that will be printed on the item. Here, then you will get a checkbox. So this price, if you want to make the tax inclusive, then you can click this checkbox. Then in the taxation part, you will get if any kind of no tax is applicable for this particular item, you can simply click on no tax applicable. It won't show you any kind of tax. But if any kind of tax is there, you can simply select the tax over here. So automatically the tax will be added if different taxes are there. So you can click on different tax and you can choose the purchase tax like 5 and the sale tax like 12. So if any kind of system is there, you can make the changes in the tax also. So most probably the tax in and out same only. And I will save the changes over here. So in this way, you have created one item, modified the item, delete the item, and the last thing is item history. So here you will get select the item, you will get history. Alt H is there. So if you click on this history button, you will see who has created the item, what kind of modification has been done, what was the old value, and what is the new value over here. So in this way, and you will get a brief description of what things have been modified. So you can see as of we have modified all these things, it is showing me the value over here. And these are the name who has, so I have logged in with admin. So it is showing me the person who has modified and what date. So in this way, we have covered add item basic features. Thank you for watching the video.